Greetings to all Brahmin families. I am Meghna Keshavmurthy from K2V Infotech LLP. Today I'm going to explain some special features of our online matrimonial website, Brahmins.K2VMatrimony.com. First of all, it's a free website without any registration or nominal fees. Registering for those who are looking for a bride or a groom. Without registering, anyone can make use of our website, like find vendors, matchmaking, preparation for shastras, and costing. Now, let's see how to do all that. First, open up a web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Then, go to the address bar and type in Brahmins.K2VMatrimony.com. Now, this is how our website looks like. Scrolling up, we can see the daily Panchanga, and then on the left-hand side, we can see the number of users. And then we can see the list of options in our website like login, sign up, finding vendors, demo, gallery, preparation, costing, frequently asked questions, disclaimer, and matchmaking. Now let's see how to find vendors. These are the different vendors. We can find wedding venues, catering, pundits, astrologers, photographers and videographers, event management, decorists, groomwear, bridal wear, Nadaswaram, wedding gifts, wedding suites, and transportation. Now, let's see how to find a wedding venue. First, you have to select your state and then the city. And then click on Submit. Now you can see the list of convention halls in that area. If you want more information about a particular hall, click on More Info. Now you can see more information about that wedding venue. This wedding venue can also be used for other functions like Upanayanas or other pujas. Now coming back to the home page, we can find vendors for catering. Here, we also have an option of Quick Link. By clicking on Mysore, you can find the list of caterers in Mysore. These are the list of caterers in Mysore. If you want to know more information about a particular caterer, click on More Info. And then, the details related to that caterer will be displayed. Going back and clicking on K2V Matrimony, it comes back to the website. Now let's see how to find pundits. Click on pundits, then you can click on the quick link Mysore and you can see the list of pundits who are in Mysore. If you want information about a particular pundit, go to More Info and you can see their phone number, their details, and their address. Now coming back and clicking on our website, you can come back to the find vendor. Similarly, you can find vendors for other things like astrologers, groomwear, bridal wear, jewelries, music, entertainment, gifts, suites, and transportation. Now scrolling up, let's see what's in the demo. In the demo, we have demos in different languages. You can view that. Now, coming to the gallery, we can see different pictures related to marriages. You can go through these too. Coming back, let's see about the preparation. When we click on the preparation, we can see the necessary things that needs to be prepared on the pre-wedding day and on the wedding day itself. Let's see what's inside the pre-wedding day. On the pre-wedding day, there are many shastras that have to be performed, and everyone may not know that. List of shastras that has to be performed on the pre-wedding day, the items and the quantities, and the procedure too. Like Karimani Ponisuva Shastra, the item name and the quantity required, Devar Samaradne, an evening program, Edurugolluva Shastra, and then Varapuja. By clicking on more images, you can view more images related to the pre-wedding day, like the Ganapati Puja, Devar Samaradne, Varapuja, Arimane, and all related pictures. Now, let's see the preparations required on the wedding day. On the wedding day, there are many necessary shastras to be performed, like Gauri Puja, Kashi Yatre, Dharve, Nagoli, Saptapadi, Madilu Tumbuva Shastra, Mane Tumbisikolluva Shastra, and many more. By clicking on more images, you can view more images related to the day of the wedding, like Kashi Yatre, Dharve, Madili Tumbuva Shastra, Nagoli, Gauri Puja. Now, let's see about the costing. On clicking on costing, you can see food menu costing, wedding venue costing, floral decoration, photographers and videographers, and cost estimation samples. Let's see about the food menu costing. Here, you can choose two packages. You can either choose a menu or you can choose a package. Here, you have to enter the contractor's name and then the customer's name. This option can be used for even other things, other functions other than marriages, like upanayanas or pujas. Then enter the venue and then the date. Enter the activity performed. Here you can change it from marriage. You can either give it as puja, you can give it as an upanayana, or anything which you want. And then enter the description. And then enter the number of guests. And then enter other charges. Now, coming to breakfast, you can choose what you would like for breakfast. See, we have a whole list of options. Whatever you want, may it be sweets, may it be a breakfast, idli, sambar, a water bottle, please select the tick option and then you have to press submit. If you want lunch too, go to lunch and then select whatever you would like to order for lunch. We have a wide variety of options: kosambri number 1, 2, palyas, rice, rasam, curd, pickle, different types of chutneys. We have papad, a whole variety of palyas and kosambris, and then paisas, different types of rotis, and then curries. Then we also have sagus. Next, if you would like to order for snacks too, then scroll back up and then select snacks. Then coming down, we have the list of snacks: manchuri, gobi, tea, coffee. If you would like to order for dinner too, click on dinner and then select the list of options you would like to order. And then, after you're finally done, click on the submit option below. Here, everything is described, including the contractor's name, customer's name, date, venue, activity, description, the number of guests, and other charges. And also the breakfast timings, lunch timings, snacks, dinner, and the list of things that you've ordered. It also calculates everything for you, the total number of items for breakfast, lunch, snacks, and we also have an option of printing this. When we click on print, it comes like this. It has a total of 2 sheets. Then click on print and it will be printed. So this is how our website has made it easy for you. See, these things can be used for non-registered members also. Otherwise, you can also choose a package in which you just have to enter the same thing: contractor's name, customer's name, date, activity description, the number of guests, other charges. And then here, it's a bit different. You'll have to select a breakfast package like economy 1, 2, standard 1, standard 2, and rich. Lunch, the same thing. We've sorted it out for you here, standard 2 and rich. The common things which are regularly ordered. Or if you don't want this, you can go to choose menu and choose whatever you want. After everything is done, click on submit. Now, coming back, let's see about the wedding venue costing. Coming to this, select a state and then select your city. And then select a price, and then coming back, and then you have to click on submit. We also have floral decoration, photographers and videographer costing. Now coming to the cost estimation samples, we have a few cost estimation samples, just estimating how much money it would cost. Now going back, let's see about the matchmaking. Here, the non-registered members who haven't registered on our website can also see whether it's a good match or not. First, the groom has to select his Rashi and his Nakshatra. Then the bride has to select her Rashi and Nakshatra. And then click on submit. Here, you can see that the Guna ratings is 31, which means it's very good and they can get married. All the Guna rating is good, the Dina Kota, Gana Kota, Graha Maitri Kota and Yoni Kota. Both of them are a Frakshasa Gana, and it means that it's good and they can get married. Next, let's see another example. Give the groom's Rashi, his Nakshatra, the bride's Rashi and her Nakshatra. And then click on submit. Here the Guna rating is 19, which means it's okay. Then click on clear. Let's see another example. Grooms is Mesha and Nakshatra is Ashwini. The brides would be Mithuna and Nakshatra would be Ardra. Now click on submit. Here the Guna rating is 8, which means it's not a good match at all. The Dina Kota is 0, Gana Kota, nothing is matching, the Graha Maitri Kota is too less, and it means that it's not a very good match. So, this is how the matchmaking works like. Coming back to home, you will be redirected to the home page. Please go through the FAQ once. FAQ is frequently asked questions. You can see the frequently asked questions asked by our users. Just click on the drop down and you can find the answer. So this is what you can see in the frequently asked questions section. Now coming back to the K2V Matrimony homepage, you can also drop a message here if you have any other queries or questions. This is how the non-members can also make use of our website. Now, you've seen the special features of our online matrimonial website, like find vendors, costing, preparation for shastras, and matchmaking. I hope you all make the best use of it. Thank you.